Hello, welcome to our pro-code developer-centric platform device for app development. Today, I'm going to walk you through our Android app builder. But before, let me give you some exciting insights about Android app builder and how it can help you build faster, better apps for much cheaper than your current app development lifecycle. First, every app needs a core structure, a few essential features apart from its unique logic, which is virtually the same for every app. Device takes over these essential tasks which takes days if not weeks to create traditionally and delivers you the structure of your app within minutes if not hours. Let's learn how this magic works if you are creating an app in our Android app builder. You first need your application design and no matter whether they are in Figma, Sketch or Adobe, we have got you covered. You can bring these designs to DhiWise and in return we will give you its fully functional code in minutes. Don't worry if you don't have any design file with you. We give you many different templates starting from e-commerce to music player app to movie streaming. Or if you want to pick your own screens, then you can select it from our select screen option and build your own application. Now, let's see how we can create an Android application using DhiWise Android App Builder. For that, you need to enter your Figma file ID and personal token of Figma and click on Create Application. As you can see, we have started syncing your Figma design and converting into native code. And it's done. Normally, you can only create an XML layout file in this much time. There's even more. We also provide you additional customizable features which you can utilize to even reduce your time in app development. So let's check our Android App Builder dashboard and all the features inside. To start with, we have UI screens, which shows all the screens synced from your Figma design. With that, you can see the summary of each and every screen, whether it is a splash screen. If not, you can change it from here, how many actions have been created, and if you have changed any view in case of our algorithms have misidentified the UI component. Now there is a UI builder which gives you all the options which you require to develop your application, like navigation, showing an alert, permissions, API integration, Firebase, authentication, back navigation, and sign out. So the most basic thing an application has is navigation. Our UI builder will help you to set up this in minutes. On top of that, if you have already set up prototype in your Figma design, you don't need to do anything, not even a single click, and your code for navigation will be generated automatically. Nowadays, everyone tends to forget their email and password, and they opt for much easier authentication like Facebook and Google. To have this functionality in your code is a no-brainer task that developers hate but have to write the code and manage the imports of libraries and SDKs. With DhiWise, you just need to click a button and you have your social authentication feature integrated in your application. Isn't that amazing? Let's see how it works in action. And it's done. Well, security is something that no one will compromise. Users tend to use their biometrics to secure their application on their phones. What if you can have biometric authentication in your app with just a click? It's possible with DhiWise. In the same way, runtime permission plays a vital role in users' privacy, and mobile app developers need to ask user for certain permissions, and again, they need to write that boring code again and again. With DhiWise, you just need to click, and you are done. Most of the application requires connection with the server to transfer data from device to the server or from server to the device. For example, Facebook app refreshes feed data from server to your phone, or when you upload a picture from your phone, it sends it to the server. To set up these things while development needs more focus, and with using device graphical API integration, you can set it within a minutes. Serverless apps are trending in mobile app developer community as it allows developers to focus on their front end of their application and leverage backend services without building or maintaining them. Integrating Firebase with device can be done even while playing table tennis. I'm just kidding, but trust me, it's easier than that. Last but the most important thing is the source code and its ownership. You will remain the owner of your code at any point of time. As you can see here, DhiWise has generated the source code from the Figma design that you have provided and the inputs that you have made using our app builder, like navigation, API integration, etc. To download the code, click on the download source code and it will give you a zip file. And if you wanted to sync it with your GitHub or GitLab repositories, then that option is also available with DhiWise.